process of making some new lip gloss colors for you guys, and this is one that I'm working on. I had to work on this to see like what I needed to do to make it really sparkly. Now it is more sparkly than what I wanted it to be, but I still think it could be more sparkly. Like I have some of the tubes that I did, I'll show you right now. These are some of them, and I think you have to look really close to kind of see the sparkle in it, but it's not that like obvious. So I was experimenting with it, and guys, let me show you the new tubes that will be available really soon. My nude colors, I'm so excited. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. I haven't washed these tubes yet, but I will. These base bags are available. If they're not available now, they will be very soon. These are some nude colors that I've been working on. And this is to help anyone who wants to start a business but doesn't want to mix your glosses. They are already made in these base bags and they are awesome. I tell you, you can purchase them like this wholesale, or you can purchase the wholesale tubes. So basically your tubes are already made. I do all the work for you, and yeah, but that's a separate video. So right now I'm working on this color. I already did it and I let it sit out so that I could see if the glitter was gonna separate from it. And it didn't, so I'm good to go. So I'm gonna start filling those tubes, and I just wanted to show you. So let's start with that now. So this is basically already mixed, and it's at the consistency that I like. And if you guys want to see some other mixing videos, I'll leave them in the link for you. But this is already mixed, and the smell is amazing. This is a vanilla mint scent, so it is so good. These are going to be available very soon with my new batch. So I have my syringe and my pipette, and I have a spoon to scoop it up and put it inside. And guys, I may need to speed up the video, but I just wanted to show you how I'm getting this done. This is a very messy process. I'm telling you, last night with me filling the base bags, sometimes I have a spoon and a knife. Sometimes the knife gets it in quicker, but it doesn't get as much as the spoon. See, with the knife, I can kind of quickly put it in and do that. A spatula is good too. Sometimes I'm in a rush and whatever it is that I can grab, I'm grabbing. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I fill about 1 or 2 tubes, and then I'll speed up the video. These are the finished products. I don't know how I ran out of silver tube tops. I think I must have gotten my bags of tubes mixed up, but I ran out of silver, so that's why you see the clear and the pink. Not sure what I'm gonna do about that just yet, but these are the finished tubes. I'll show you one of each. So I'm not sure the name of this one yet, but it basically is a clear sparkle type of gloss, and they're sticky, so I'm gonna go wash them now along with the other glosses. Okay guys, so I'm just washing the tubes now. So what I do is I put them in this big bowl that I bought from Dollar Tree. I put a little bit of water, not too much to where, you see, not too much to where it's submerged in it, because it can possibly go underneath the caps and you don't want that to happen. But yeah, so they're not submerged in the water, but I put just a little bit of water just so it can have water. I'll use a little bit of the Clorox just for sanitary purposes. And I did hear about Dawn. I don't particularly like Dawn for my dishes. I like to use natural dish washing soap, but this is really good for moving like the stickiness on the tube. So I put that in there, put a little more water, and then just swish, swish, swish. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash these base bags because they're very, very sticky. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm putting them in the water and just giving them a bath.